bought this mk7. As you see, the status was dirty, here dirty, so after we're gonna clean everything. So we need to do timing kit replacement with water pump and full service, oil filter, air filter, fuel filter, cabin filter, and oil, and front discs and pads, and the rear discs and pads. So as you see, guys, just a quick notice, I want to advise you guys, when you trying to remove the filter housing, always guys, just take the return one and the in one, just from the housing filter, the inner one, and from the return pipe here, and you move this pipe here, and you carry on to move all this tank and the filter housing on the side, so you have a clear space to take the mount and the covers, and you carry on your work. As you see, guys, to remove the cover, so there is two clips, one here, but before you get it off, you need to remove the pressure, DPF pressure sensor on the way. Just put it here on the side. There is one knot here, T30, and you need to move the exhaust pressure sensor. As you see, the exhaust pressure sensor how is dirty, so in this case DPF is totally black inside, so the car still okay. So we're gonna try to put just one bottle of DPF cleaner like this later, before we put back the sensor and we clean the pressure sensor. We put one bottle of DPF clean inside it. It should be all right. Yes. After that, guy, you need to lift it up, take the tire off, and you need to take the shield off and the ender tray off. As you see, the ender tray, the sheet. We take the oil off, and we need to remove also the antifreeze from the bottom pipe. So we need just to take the bottom pipe, you take the antifreeze off, and then we go in ahead to take the belt, take the crank pulley, make the point, take the cover, and take the bracket with the mount, and we carry on step by step. So as you see, guys, we already removed the mount and the bracket, the bottom cover. We need to clean everything after, to put back everything together clean, and the pulley. And when we took the fan belt, we found it snapped somewhere. Watch. So this one also we need to order it brand new. As you see, guys, we need now this is the group, this is VAG group, so you can find all the timing tools for the petrol cars or for the diesel cars. In this car we need this one for the crank, and we need these two pins, one going to the cam and one going to the fuel pump. As you see, this one need to go here to the fuel pump, so correct. This one need to go here in the crank, in the cam pulley. So probably this cam pulley need to go other side, turn it, and that one we're gonna put it in the crank. There you go, guys, this is the old kit, so it's definitely finished. Water pump, what's the status of it? And the tension, bad status. Watch how is rusty this pulley. And the belt, cam belt is totally finished, this one. Wow. So now we carry on cleaning everything on the side now. We're gonna go to clean everything, refurbish everything, put a new kit. As you see, guys, you need to use TFR always, brushing a bit using TFR to clean it. Make sure to clean everything, guys. clean other side. We're using always TFR. Everything proper cleaning. After we're gonna give the engine wash. Now as you see guys, after proper cleaning everything, we put the new timing. Make sure to tighten everything with the Newton meter as it need. So the tension I need 30 Newton meter, and you need to tighten the water pump, the new one. Each bolt need to be like 15 Newton meter. So make sure to plug again before you closing everything, and that's it. We're going to the next step. We're gonna change the air filter, the fuel filter inside, and then we're going to change the discs and pads front and back. As you see guys, just make sure to take the housing or the fuel filter. After you remove it, we put some TFR on it, so we need to clean it properly, the fuel filter housing, and then we put everything together. As you see guys, we put back the fuel filter housing, proper cleaning everything. We take the tank, opening the cap, cleaning here, cleaning the dipstick. Now we put the ignition on, we plug the VCI, and we need to release the rear calipers. So we're going to release the rear calipers. So in the meantime, when we lift it up, we're doing the back pads and the front discs and pads and the rear discs and pads. So we're gonna go to brake reset. As you see now guys, the cylinders, they are opening now. Yeah, you're hearing the noise. So we let it carry on. Yes, the brake caliper has been opened. Okay. Oh no, we need to turn the ignition off. Okay. Close, lift the top. As you see guys, now we took the discs. They was rusted and very stuck there. I was like banging them with a hammer. Watch, the gap here is totally finished. So I take also the brackets. We need to refurbish them with the brush gun. As you see, the parts, they are totally finished. Trussing, brackets, discs here, big gap. And the back one was too much rusted. I was using all the tools, drill bubblies, to take the screws off. What's the status? Wow. And this is the status of the back discs. Totally gone. And also the pads finish. So now we're gonna start to refurbishing all of this with a brush, with a gun, cleaning everything, cleaning the calipers, and put the new parts. Actually guys, we use the drill brush to clean the bearings and clean the shields, brackets, everything, and then we use the TFR. We sprayed everything, the bearings, the shields, and then we put copper grease everywhere. As you've seen, this is the mistake always mechanics doing. They're not putting copper grease here on the face of the bearing. After when you put new discs, next time when the mechanic wants to open the discs and change it, he find it easy. So also you need to put copper grease in the brackets, so after the brake pads, no need to squeeze in or something like that. We need to carry on. Now as you see guys, we put back the under tray, the shape back in, new belt, new discs. This is the final of it. Discs, new pads. As you see the back, also new discs, good mat here. New pads, everything refurbished. So now we need to carry on, close the caliper with the machine, and we top up oil and antifreeze, and that's it. We have to get the engine good wash. Now guys, we started. This is the last final. We put the tires back, everything back. We put new antifreeze on it, and we spray all the TFR, all of the engine over there. Now we're gonna get it to jet wash, and after we need to use the airline to clean it properly. After it's gonna be like ready. As you know guys, we've been putting like one bottle of DPF cleaner inside the DPF, so the DPF also is gonna be clean. Now as you see, the engine is perfect running, noise is very smooth. We make it like brand new. Now just wash it. There you go guys, this is the final of the car after washing the engine with TFR and cold water, after using the airline to spray everything of it. As you see now, the last result. Now we put back the cover. Oh, there you go, brand new. Good luck, Malvern Autos. Welcome, Nelson.